So good day. So this is Nada Matanog, and this is the continuation of the related act about pornography. So we have Republic Act number 995. So this is a Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009, an act defining and penalizing the crime of photo and video voyeurism, prescribing penalties therefore and for other purposes. So ang meaning po ng photo or video voyeurism means an act of taking photo or video coverage of a person or a group of persons performing a sexual activity or any similar activity capturing the private part o yung masaselang bahagi katawan ng isang tao o grupo ng mga tao without latter consent. So, this act also punishes yung mga taong sinishare, ina-upload, kina-distribute, kina-copy yung mga photos or videos na nagko-contain ng mga yung mga private part or sexual activity na kinakalat nila through social media, phones, computers, ganyan, sa iba't ibang social media platforms. And then, it also kasali din sa napapunish or lumalabag sa Republic Act na to, yung kumbaga, yung isang person is inallow niya din yung pag video sa isang activity na yon, pero in-upload din nung nag-video without permission nung kinunan is nalalabag pa rin yun. So, ang mga nalalabag sa batas na ito or lumalabag sa batas na ito is yung mga taong sekretong binivideohan ang someone's private parts, recording a person during sexual activity without consent, uploading or sharing intimate photos or videos online without permission, and also yung pagbebenta or pag-distribute ng private photos or videos sa internet. So, ang law na ito is dinefine na yung mga private areas. So, kasama nito yung genitals or the public area, the buttocks, and the female breast. So, ang example nito is, for instance, ang isang lalaki is pasekreto niyang kinukunan ang isang babae nagbibihis without permission sa isang fitting room. So, kasama yun siya sa lumalabag sa Republic Act na to. And another, yung naman siya ko kanina, halimbawa isang couple, may couple na kumbaga yung pagkuha ng video during the sexual activity nila is may consent, pero yung partner is in-upload niya or distribute niya without the consent of the another. So lalabag yun sa Republic Act na ito. So, ang penalties ng Republic Act number 995 or yung kumbaga punishment niya pag lumabag ka sa batas nito is makukulong ka 3 to 7 years or makakabayad yung tao na yon na nag-sale or yun nagkumuha ng video and then in-upload ng 100,000 to 500,000 or pwede yung dalawa is maging punishment sa kanya. So, another Republic Act or another law is the Republic Act number 9775 or the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2008. An act defining the crime of a child pornography, prescribing priorities therefore and for other purposes. So, this act naman, it is a law kung saan pinoprotektahan niya yung children laban sa pornography and sexual exploitation. So, it punishes yung mga taong na nagpo-produce, nagdi-distribute, and viewing of pornographic materials involving yung mga bata. So, the law recognizes yung kumbaga protection para sa mga bata from abuse and exploitations. It ensure para ma-ensure din yung kanilang physical, emotional, psychological, and social well-being. So, ang kasali sa Republic Act na to is yung mga batang or in-refer ng Republic Act number 9775 yung mga batang below 18 years old. So, This law prohibits producing or creating pornographic photos, videos, or materials involving yung mga bata, yung pagbebenta or pag-distribute din ng child pornography, yung possessing or downloading child pornography, yun yung ginagamit yung mga bata sa mga sexual performances or explicit online content. So, ang example nito is, halimbawa, ang isang adult o isang individual is gina-force niya yung bata na may edad na 14 years old para mag-post ng for sexual photos. And then, binenta niya yung picture online. So, kasali ito so lumalabag ito sa Republic Act number 9775. So both Republic Act number 995 and Republic Act number 9775 aim to protect individuals or the people from sexual exploitation, lalong-lalo na yung mga bata o yung mga children. So, Republic Act number 995 focuses on protecting people from non-consensual sharing of private photos and videos, while the Republic Act number 9775 focuses on preventing the sexual exploitation of children through pornography. So both of these act po tumutulong para ma-promote yung safety, dignity, and respect in society.